Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pickle brine. First, gather your ingredients: water, vinegar, salt, and any desired spices. Next, combine these in a saucepan and bring the mixture to a boil. Stir until the salt fully dissolves, ensuring a clear solution. This foundational brine is versatile for many vegetables. We'll cover specific ratios and flavor additions shortly, making your pickling process straightforward and delicious. For a classic brine, a 1-to-1 ratio of water to vinegar is ideal. This means if you use 2 cups of water, you'll also use 2 cups of vinegar. For every cup of this liquid mixture, add 1 tablespoon of pickling salt. This specific salt ensures clarity and proper preservation. You might also include 1 teaspoon of sugar per cup of liquid to balance the acidity, enhancing the overall flavor profile of your pickles. To prepare your brine, combine your measured water, vinegar, pickling salt, and optional sugar in a non-reactive saucepan. Now is also the perfect time to add any whole spices you desire, such as dill seeds, mustard seeds, or black peppercorns for extra flavor. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil over medium-high heat, stirring occasionally. Ensure all the salt and sugar completely dissolve into the liquid. Once your brine has boiled and the solids are dissolved, remove it from the heat. It's crucial to let the brine cool completely to room temperature before pouring it over your prepared vegetables in jars. This prevents your vegetables from becoming soft. Seal your jars tightly and refrigerate them for at least 2 to 3 days before enjoying your homemade pickles. For more great tips and other deals, check the description below, including a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.